Good afternoon, everyone. I am Chalma Reddy, Mathematics. Now we are going to discuss sequences and series. Already we are completed arithmetic progression concept and problems. Now I am going to discuss that arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. So what is arithmetic mean? See here. If a comma x comma b are in arithmetic progression, then x is called arithmetic mean between a and b. The arithmetic mean between a and b is a plus b by 2. This is a formula. Arithmetic mean between a and b is a plus b by 2. If in between a and b we are inserted, there are n arithmetic means x1, x2, x3 and so on xn. A, x1, x2 and so on xn comma b are in AP series, then x1, x2, x3 and so on xn are called n arithmetic means between a and b. In between two numbers we are inserted n arithmetic means. Those are all in AP series. And x1, x2, x3 and so on xn are called n arithmetic means between a and b. Okay. Now, if x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma and so on xn are n arithmetic means between a and b, then d means common difference, that is equal to b minus a divided by n plus 1. How we got the d value? Now I will prove. See here, a and in b, here I am writing b. In between we are inserted n arithmetic means x1, x2, x3 and so on xn comma b. Arithmetic progression means we know that a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on, a plus what? Nth term now. This is nd and this is a plus n plus 1 into d xn. A is the first term, x1 is the second term, x2 is the third term, xn means this is n plus 1th term, b means n plus 2th term. Okay, what is nth term in AP series formula actually? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. But here, what is b? b is equal to tn plus 2, n plus 2th term. Just in place of n, substitute n plus 2. What happens? See, a plus n plus 2 minus 1 into d. Do the calculation. What happens? See, b is equal to r. These a send left hand side. b minus a is equal to n plus 1 into d. Finally, what is the d now here? b minus a divided by n plus 1. Here d is called common difference. A and b are two numbers and a we will say that first term. Now see here, how to find x1? How to find x1 value? x1 means a plus d, that is equal to a plus, what is d formula? b minus a divided by n plus 1, like this. x2, how to find x2 mean this is these two, a plus 2d. So just in place of d, write that 2 into, that is b minus a by n plus 1. Students, are you understood? Now, similarly, we can find x3, x4 and so on. Xn also. What is xn here? Xn, that is equal to a plus nd. A plus nd, that is a plus n into b minus a by n plus 1. This is the proof of the numbers. Now here one formula given. Sum of n arithmetic means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on plus xn is equal to, what is the formula? N into a plus b by 2. How we get? Here already we know that x1, x2, x3, these all terms we are added means we will get that formula. Okay, now I am writing just formula. X1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on xn, sum of n arithmetic means is equal to, this is the formula, n into a plus b by 2, n times arithmetic mean between a and b. This is the formula. Students, all of you understood now? Arithmetic mean of a comma b is a plus b by 2. Arithmetic mean of a, b, c is a plus b plus c by 3. Arithmetic mean of a1, a2, a3 and so on a is sum of the numbers divided by total number of numbers. Okay. Now I am going to discuss that some problems in this relation. Arithmetic mean of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. That is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 divided by 2. After calculation, we got 5 by 12. Next, one of the arithmetic mean, one of the 4 arithmetic means, 4 arithmetic means between 3 comma 23 is 3 comma 23 is. So here we need to find one of the 4 arithmetic means between 3 and 23. So here I am writing 3 comma x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma x4 comma 23. Here observe that what is the a value? A value is 3 and b value is 23. What is the n value? N is 4. So we are inserted between 3 and 23 4 arithmetic means. Now we need to find first d. What is d formula? b minus a divided by n plus 1. Okay, what is b? 23 minus 3 divided by n plus 1, 4 plus 1, that is 5. 23 minus 3, 20, 20 by 5, that is 4. Right. Now what is x1? x1 means, that is a plus d. A plus d. x2 means a plus 2d. x3 means a plus 3d. And we need to find x4 also. Find those values. x4, a plus 4d. Now those values substitute here. A means 3, d means 4, that is 7. Now 3, 2 4s are, sorry, d also 4 now. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. Now 3 plus 4 3s are 12, we get 15. Next 3 plus 4 4s are 16, 19. So but they are given options. First option is 6, second option 8, third option 15, fourth option 21. So which option is correct, students? One of the four arithmetic mean. Out of these four, one is there in option. I think third option is correct now. Sum of four arithmetic means between 3 and 23 is dash. This is the question. Sum of n arithmetic means between a and b is n into a plus b by 2. Here n value is 4 and a value is 3, b value 23. Just substitute in that formula, we get answer 52. Carefully, if n arithmetic means are inserted between 2 and 38, then sum of the resulting series is obtained as 200. Then the value of n is the sum of the resulting series. Sum of the numbers means the sum of n arithmetic means and 2 and 38 also included. 2 and 38 also included. Overall, n terms and 2 and 38, totally n plus 2 terms. N plus 2 terms. How to write the formula?